Hello, I'm Dr. Sonia O'Connor from the University of Bradford Visualization Group, and we specialise in imaging cultural objects in particular. And today I'm doing Z stacking or focus stacking of the Swinegate tablets. And what I'm doing is taking a series of shots of the tablets with the camera gradually moving towards the object. And then I'm using software to compile these images so that I can remove all the out of focus pixels and keep all the sharp pixels and compile them into a single shot, which will be sharp from the very front of the object to the very back. And this gives us a fantastic view of the writing on the tablets. The Swinegate tablets were a group of tablets in a little leather case that were found in cesspits at the back of Swinegate, in fact in the site right on back Swinegate itself, but probably at the back of medieval merchants' houses originally. And the tablets were found in these wet deposits and they were waterlogged, and that's what had preserved them. So we have a set of 8 little boxwood tablets. They're only about 3 centimetres by 5 centimetres in size, and at the most a couple of millimetres thick. And most of the tablets are cut away on both sides to take wax, so it's only the margin that's 2 millimetres thick. The wood between the wax is very, very fine, less than a millimetre. And in the wax there's writing, and it's all been preserved in this deposit. And it was a tremendous conservation project many years ago, back in the late 1980s, when this object came up and we worked on it. But it's only today that we have the technology to take forward recording and, we hope, understanding of the texts on the tablets.
I'm Andy Holland from the University of Bradford, where I research the use of 3D digitisation techniques like the one behind me in archaeology. This is a structured light scanner which we're using to digitise the Swinegate tablets. We're hoping that the 3D models that result from the scans that we're doing today will give us a greater level of information from the text that's written on those tablets, maybe be able to see more of the letters, some of the ones that are missing at the moment, or at least difficult to discern. The structured light scanner behind me is basically 2 cameras, 2 machine vision cameras used in engineering and visual computing, and a projector. The cameras are at 2 different angles, just like your eyes, so it works very similar to the human eyes and human vision, in that you've got 2 slightly different pictures from left and right, and then the projector projects a series of patterns onto the object, whatever you're digitising, and the way that this camera see those patterns of light, black and white stripes usually, allows the computer to compute the shape of the object and therefore create a 3D model. The software is a 3D processing software specific to structured light scanning, and allows the computer to look at the different pictures that has been taken and create that 3D model. It does that from different viewpoints, because the scanner allows me to rotate the object with a rotating turntable, and the software then aligns each of those different views to create a 3D model of all the different sides, because obviously if you only had one, you'd only see the stuff facing you.
Well, this is a pilot study. We're just focusing on a few of the tablets with our 4 different techniques that we've brought today, and the idea is to show what we can do, show what more we can get out of this material, and hopefully put together a major funded project in the very near future.